If you think meme coins are dead, you're already late. While everyone is arguing if the bull run is over, hundreds of tokens are launching on Solana right now. Some are turning $200 into 400,000 in just 48 hours. But in 2026, the game changed. It's not a casino anymore, it's a data game. If you're still clicking buy on a basic DEX, you are the exit liquidity for people like me. Today, I'm giving you the 2026 A to Z breakdown. How to enter Solana the right way, how to set up Axiom like a PRO, what strategies are actually working right now, and how not to get farmed by bots. By the end of this video, you'll set up Axiom properly, fund your wallet, use the right fee settings, know where to find tokens, and understand 3 meme coin strategies that actually work in 2026. Let's start. Step 1. Register on Axiom. Go to the link in the description. For simplicity, I recommend signing up with your Google account. It takes seconds. And quick note here, if you register using my link, you get 10% off trading fees and 5% cash back on your trades. That means you literally pay less and earn back a portion of every trade you make. In the long run, this can save you thousands of dollars if you're planning to trade anyway. It just makes sense to activate the discount. The link is below. Once registered, your wallet inside Axiom will be created automatically. Now, step 2. Buy Sol. You can purchase SOL directly inside Axiom in whatever way is most convenient for you. Go to the deposit section. Click Buy, enter the amount of Sol you want, choose your preferred payment method, and complete the payment. Once the transaction is processed, the Sol will appear in your Axiom wallet. Simple. Now let's talk settings, because this is where most people bleed. Slippage. For liquid tokens code, keep it around 2 to 3%. For fresh launches, maybe 5 to 10. Anything higher, only if you know exactly what you're doing. Priority fee. Solana is fast, but during hype launches, it gets crowded. Normal conditions, 0.005 to 0.01. Hot launch, 0.02, or higher. The rule is simple. Be slightly faster than average. MEV protection, in 2026, it stays on, always. No exceptions. Now let's talk about what actually works this cycle. Strategy 1. Wallet tracking. Stop guessing. Find wallets that made multiple 5x or 10x plays recently. Watch what they buy in the first minutes. Enter small and early. You're not copying hype. You're copying smart flow. This is data-driven trading. Strategy 2. Narrative rotation. Meme coins move in waves. AI memes, political memes, influencer coins, animal meta, absurd meta. You're not buying a random token. You're buying attention inside a theme. When one narrative cools down, money rotates into the next one. Be early in the rotation. Strategy 3. Attention velocity. This is the biggest edge right now. Not market cap, not holder count. Speed of attention, watch Twitter mentions. Watch engagement spikes. Watch how fast new wallets are coming in. If attention is growing faster than price, that's signal. Now, let's talk exits. Meme coins are not long-term investments. They are extraction plays. Example framework. Enter early around low market cap. At first strong pump, take 30 to 50% off. Let the rest ride for free if it hits 5x. Scale out more. Never hold the full bag back to zero, and most of them go back to zero. What changed compared to 2024? Bots are smarter. Rugs are faster. Cycles are shorter. Attention lives for 12 to 72 hours. If you're slow, you are liquidity. So here are your 3 action steps. 1. Register on Axiom using the link below. So you activate the 10% fee discount and 5% cashback from day 1. 2. Find 5 profitable wallets. Study them. 3. Start small. Your first goal is survival, not getting rich. Meme coins are not luck. They are a speed and information game. If you're buying because it looks funny, you're paying someone who trades with a system. Decide which side you want to be on. If this helped you, subscribe. We're not slowing down this cycle. Let's cook.